Some more breaking news coming in. The first response from Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal after Delhi Lieutenant Governor overruled his government's decision to reserve Delhi hospitals for Delhiites, at least as far as corona aid and treatment is concerned. The Chief Minister has now come out saying that he feels that because of this overturning of the decision, there will be a big problem and challenge that will be created for Delhi's people. He goes on to say that to make arrangements for all those who could come to Delhi for corona treatment from the country will be a big challenge. Perhaps it is in Delhi's destiny that it has to treat and serve other people from other areas, and we will try to make arrangements for all. But clearly he has gone on to say that this is going to be a decision that is going to eventually make Delhi's own citizens or residents suffer. So clearly he's shooting off the shoulder of the Delhi citizenry, but there have been several questions as to whether a chief minister can even take such a call, because whether it is for corona or under the Disaster Management Act, no other state has decided this. My colleague Aishwarya Kapoor is also joining us over the phone line. I beg your pardon, Abhishek is joining us over the phone line. Abhishek, clearly, while he has no other option, Abhishek, the Delhi Chief Minister, because the Lieutenant Governor as the LG and also the head of the DDMA has taken this decision to overturn the government's call, he's definitely creating a base, Arvind Kejriwal, suggesting that Delhi's people could suffer further because now hospitals are going to be open for all.
Well, Shivani, we have to understand that beyond legalese, there is something called humanitarian grounds on which the national capital has to set an example. And we have seen over the last few days examples or umpteen examples of the hospital administration essentially failing or the health facilities crumbling under the Delhi government. And the last decision, of course, of preventing anyone from outside to get treatment in Delhi hospitals was essentially a last-ditch attempt by the Delhi government to, salvage their own image, perhaps, with the LG intervening now, and all this happening a day before the Delhi government is to decide whether they have to officially declare that community transmission has started happening in Delhi, clearly shows that all these measures that are being planned or were being planned now stymied by the LG order essentially were aimed at salvaging the image of the government and to distract from attention from the main issue, which is the failure of the hospital administration in terms of making sure that anyone who wants to be tested or anyone who wants to get admitted because of COVID should get so, which was not happening. We have seen so many examples, horrendous examples last few days, Shivani, of people struggling to get admitted despite showing symptoms. And this turf war essentially is more an exercise at image and perception management.
Right. It has, of course, opened a larger debate if it would be fair for any one region, especially a region like the National Capital Region, Abhishek, to do something like this. Because, there are people from across the country who come and make Delhi their base. And there was a feeling that even those who live on rent in Delhi, in other words, work in Delhi and have been staying in Delhi for some time, might not be able to actually avail of Delhi services. So, for someone like Arvind Kejriwal, who in the past has said that, the entire country is one, or that you cannot discriminate between people of other regions in the national capital, it was also a volte-face of another kind. Politically speaking, he had completely gone against what he has said in the past. So that, politically speaking also, it was a decision that everybody was questioning because he had made very different statements in the past.
Well, look at it this way, Shivani. The reason why Noida administration, for example, stopped people coming from Delhi side was that of every 100 cases that were turning positive in Noida, 42 were because of after contact tracing, it was found that 42% were because of their contacts coming from Delhi. So it cuts both ways. While Mr. Kejriwal wants to give an impression that it's coming from outside, facts on the ground, as proved by the Noida administration, is that it's the other way around. So within a nation, these kind of boundaries do not work. What is important is that you strengthen cities, and the 2 months of lockdown actually gave time and gestation period to strengthen their health infrastructure. But unfortunately, that it's a case of missed opportunity in Delhi, which is now coming out.
In fact, if we still believe the claims that have been made by the Aam Aadmi Party government, the beds are free, then what is it that is preventing people who need urgent care and COVID care are unable to get those beds? So that's the first question, that is coming in light, because the government insists, Abhishek, that there are sufficient beds. They're also going to roll out a plan to make preparations because there are fears that there is community transmission in the national capital. And in any ways, June and July could obviously throw up much larger numbers, especially in Delhi, which is one of the worst affected. In fact, over the last 1 month, since Delhi emerged as one area that was the worst affected, there have been some other areas that have actually managed to control the situation, much larger areas. And those were periods under the lockdown. I'm talking about May generally. But in Delhi, those numbers continued to rise, while there are other states that have managed to arrest those numbers. So these are all questions that those in government, of course, will face. But the Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party government had shocked everybody by taking a call where they were going to reserve Delhi beds for corona patients, at least only to those who are Delhi residents or citizens. And that decision has now been overturned by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. Arvind Kejriwal not happy with that. Although he has said that they will try to make arrangements for all. These are extremely critical times for the national capital.